kimbap. Pretty good. We are on the way to UBC. We are here at UBC. This is like my 5th time going here. We're here because my brother wants to study. This is a very long walk to the library, but there's nice views, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of people. Why
like
there's people here? Like, where do they park?
This is the library we're going to.
Stayed there last time.
Hello everyone, it's 5:17 and I'm almost done with the photo book that I'm making.
It's 6 p.m. so now I'm gonna pick up my dinner. I just came from IKB and it was so quiet I couldn't vlog anything, but I did show how the library looks like. I am walking to Chipotle now to pick up my order.
So I forgot to vlog, but I finished my Chipotle and now I'm just chilling on this nice little chair. I'm waiting for my brother to be done studying. I don't want to study because I don't have anything to study and I want to enjoy my summer. My school starts in 3 weeks.
I'm walking to IKB right now to meet up with my brother again. I love walking in this campus, it's so nice. Going home now! Today was a very fun day exploring UBC. We are home! Thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.